Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roshan, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the few changes that have been made in the Tata Nexon 2021 version. So before going into today's video, if you are new to my channel and if you like my content, please do consider subscribing to it and also like the video if you do. It will personally mean a lot to me. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the changes that have been done in the 2021 Tata Nexon. I have been hearing a lot of confusion over on the Facebook pages and also on Instagram regarding the same. So I thought I will just try to clear it up as I have got my car delivered recently. Let me just start with the major change that has been on the infotainment system. The infotainment system. Yes, the physical audio control buttons have gone now from Nexon across all variants. A Nexon badging is provided here instead in this place now. The functionality of the buttons are now introduced in the touchscreen. One of the major feedback which I saw when I was thinking about purchasing this car was its touchscreen wasn't as responsive as other cars in this segment. So now for the big question, has it changed or does it still feel the same? Does it still have that lag that used to bother people? The answer is straightforward. Yes, the touchscreen has changed. Not just with the addition of functionality which were removed from the physical buttons, but with the overall user experience as well. The touch is now lag free. I can say it with confidence because I have been using it for quite some time now and I don't see any noticeable lag like I used to see in the car review videos of last year. The left right swipes, the pressing of options are all lag free now. You get the Herman logo on top of the touchscreen, which was missing earlier. Overall, I would say a big thumbs up on this update. If you ask me whether the removal of physical buttons was for cost cutting or unavailability of certain raw materials, I really do not know the reason, but I personally don't feel the need for physical buttons now with the improved touchscreen. One main cause of concern is that how will people use audio when they purchase variants which don't have either touchscreen or stereo mounted controls. Now, having said that, if you ask me would the physical buttons be any useful if they were present, then surely yes, they would be a lot more handy and useful than the touchscreen. Over a period of time you get accustomed to using these buttons without looking at them, whereas touchscreen requires you to look at them when you use them, which is not advisable because you need to take your eye off the road and it could potentially be dangerous. But yeah, this is a much improved system now without any doubt. So there you go. Moving on, there has been some confusion with the color options available for Tata Nexon 2021. Now, at the time of making this video, Tectonic blue color is discontinued as per Tata's website and also having asked the dealer. So the changes in color options for 2021 variants based on my personal experience and also accompanying my friends in their delivery and also with the information provided by the dealer, the changes in colors are as follows. So if you are going to get the foliage green, Daytona grey, pure silver, flame red in single tone variant, then the waistline and the back strip color would be white in color. Now remember what I mentioned earlier is only applicable to the single tone variants. If you are going to choose Calgary white in the single tone variant, then you are going to get silver color stripes in the waistline and also in the back. Now when you look at the dual tone variants, if you're going to pick foliage green, Daytona grey, flame red or Calgary white, you would get a silver color in waistline and back and also in the roof portion. When you pick pure silver color in the Tata Nexon, you would get white color waistline, back and white roof as well. So these are the changes with respect to the colors of the updated Tata Nexon 2021. Now the next thing we are going to be talking about are the roof rails. Now I am a part of few Facebook pages and also on Instagram. So the main confusion again for people who have either booked Tata Nexon or planning to book is that the roof rails have now been shortened in the 2021 version compared to the facelift version which was launched in the final quarter of the year 2020. I would like to say that is not true. For 2021 Nexon, you get the same longer roof rails which extend till the front and is not cut short like the older Nexons. This is based on my own personal experience and also inquiring with the dealer about the same. So there you go, confusion clear. So the next thing we are going to be talking about are the retractable grab handles. Again, this question I found it often on the Nexon group that lot of people were asking if the handlebars inside the cabin are retractable or they have been replaced with permanent handles which do not move. The answer is they have not been replaced. You still get the retractable handles. At least I got retractable handles in my variant of XZ Plus, and my friends who also got XZ Plus single tone variant and also XMS variant got the same. So the next point that we are going to be discussing is something you would probably be knowing already. If not, it is about the economy mode AC. Now there used to be a button for economy mode for AC and now it has been removed as well. As you see, there is no provision provided here. It is just a blank switch now. Maybe Tata thought that people don't use this mode enough so removed it. I am not sure. Please comment down below if you guys think this would have been an important feature to have. Next point I would like to make is regarding the keys that you get with your car. So there has also been some confusion because few dealers were giving just only one set of keys on the time of delivery and asking the owners to come back after a few weeks or even a couple of months to get the spare key. And also some people who are getting XZ Plus variant or above that were saying that they are now getting one physical key and one remote key. I'm going to clear that confusion. So based on dealer information and my personal experience, people who have booked or in the waiting period for XZ Plus or other variants above that, they are going to be getting two automatic keys as they were getting earlier. Now, the only constraint that might be, according to my dealer, is that you may not get both the keys immediately. You would have to probably wait for a couple of weeks till the other set of spare keys dispatched to the dealer from Tata Motors themselves. So, you would be probably getting your spare key within a couple of weeks or a month or two to the max. Next thing is not a major change, as you would probably know the tri-star grill pattern which was in the front area. Now that has been changed. This is just a change which I wanted to highlight in this video just for reference. The tri-arrow design is now bi-arrow. Yes, Tata has finally done away with the Mercedes logo and created this unique bi-arrow design now. Some people would like this design, but some would still prefer the tri-arrow. I am happy with the current one, which is the bi. Now moving on to the tires, this is actually not an official information because the dealer was not sure as well, but from what he has told me unofficially, the tires which you would be getting if your variant has alloys, that is the 215 section, you would be getting the Goodyear tires along with it, and if your variant has non-alloy wheels, you will be getting the Bridgestone tires. So there were a lot of people asking me on Facebook and YouTube video as well as to what tire you would be getting. So this is sort of a close by answer. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope I cleared some doubts which people have if they have booked their car and waiting for delivery, or for prospective future buyers as well. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for interesting content on Nexon in the near future. Take care, be safe. Signing off, Roshan.